Here is the JBL Vibe Beam Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. Just for reference, this is a iPhone 16e. So first thing is we got to make sure that these go into pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case. I'm going to open these up and I'm going to take these out. Now what I want is the two lights on top of here to start blinking blue, 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 okay? I'm getting a solid blue right here and it just said connected on the earbuds, okay? So I'm connected to a different device and it's not in pairing mode. I'll know it's in pairing mode again when it's blinking blue, 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 blue on both of these, okay? So I'm connected to a different device and I'm actually connected to my Android phone here, okay? So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, I have two options I can do, okay? So the first one is, because I'm connected to my Android phone here, what I can do is go to my Android phone, go to the Bluetooth settings, and I can turn off Bluetooth, I can disconnect, or I can unpair or forget the device. As soon as I do any of those three on my Android phone, these automatically right now would start blinking blue, 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 okay? Now, a second way that we can put this into pairing mode is I'm gonna simply put the buds back into the case. I'm gonna close the lid, wait till the light here turns off. Now I'm gonna open the lid, take out both buds, and now it's gonna connect again to my Android phone. So now for me to put these in pairing mode, what I'm gonna do is, you have sensors on top of here. I'm gonna tap once and then tap and hold, okay? Ready, set, go. Tap, tap and hold, kind of hard, okay, you have to do it, and just wait until it starts blinking blue, 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 blue. Ah, there we go. If it doesn't work the first time, put it back in the case and retry it. So right now they're blinking blue rapidly. It's in pairing mode. So now I can go right to my iPhone or another device and I'll connect to my iPhone here. I'm gonna go to settings. And then from settings, you want to go to Bluetooth. My Bluetooth is right there. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And that little spinny thing down there next to devices, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, okay? And it found my JBL Vibe Beam here. I'll tap on that. And we're now connected. I just heard it say connected on the earbuds as well. Now, if you still have issues connecting or any kind of pairing problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.